I've been traveling the world over the past few years, exploring different cultures, cities, and experiences. But somehow, I forgot where it all began, right here in Ghana. So this weekend, I decided to take a break and rediscover one of Ghana's most beautiful tourist regions, the Eastern region. And guess what? I'm doing this entire trip with just one device, the all-new Tecno Camon 50 Pro. This is my main phone for the trip. And trust me, you are going to see why.
I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Sometimes.
On the road, it was already giving premium experience. I was scrolling through my socials, replying messages, and capturing moments on the go. And one thing I immediately noticed was the display. The brightness on this phone is incredible. Even under direct sunlight, everything stays crisp, clear, and super visible. Perfect for travel days like this. And let's talk about the battery. Long journeys usually mean constantly worrying about your phone dying, but not this time. The Tecno Camon 50 Pro held up effortlessly. No stress, no panic, just pure enjoyment on the trip. Welcome to Akosombo in the eastern region of Ghana. Finally, we are here. Guys, you know, we started the journey like all the way from Kumasi to here yesterday. Like it took us 2 days to get here. Since it's Ghana month, I want to show you a bit of Ghana. I've been exploring Africa, Asia, and all that for the past 1-2 years, and I want to show you a bit of Ghana. It's not that I've not explored Ghana. I've been exploring Ghana. Like that is the beginning of my YouTube journey, or the beginning of my vlog. Like, so all the regions in Ghana I have visited, from Kumasi to Ashanti region to Volta to Bolga and all that. But since it's Ghana month now, I want to show you a bit of Ghana again. And we are in Akosombo, as I said, in the eastern region of Ghana. This region is one of the most beautiful regions in Ghana that you have to explore when you come to Ghana. It has so many natural beauty wonders, like from landscape, waterfall, lake, so many things, and I want to show you guys. So join me as I show you a bit of Akosombo. That's a part of Eastern region. A lot of people used to ask me, Kim, how did you start it? How did you start this YouTube thing and all that, guys? And what I always tell them is that you should start with what you have and then what you can do. Yeah, I started with Tecno. Guys, I started vlogging with Tecno Spark 4. You can't believe it. You just go and check my old YouTube video, like my first YouTube video. I started with Tecno Spark 4 and those videos back then. And even now, I'm still using Tecno. This is Tecno Pop 8. Yeah, it's like I have some kind of love for Tecno B. I don't know. So now, no, it's like I have to drop this one. I guess I've dropped it. So guys, now that I've dropped the Tecno Pop 8, it's time for upgrade. Can you guys guess what? Guess what? Ta-da! Guys, this sort of motivation. Tecno Camon phone. Can you guys guess what? Tecno sent me the all-new Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Guys, this sort of motivation started with Tecno Spark 4 and now having the all-new Tecno Camon 50 Pro. Guys, this is new. As at this time I'm recording the video, I guess this phone is yet to be released. By the time you watch it, it's already in the market. So you have to go and grab yours. Go grab your copy. Go grab your new Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So going forward, this is going to be my new daily driver phone, and I heard they have so many AI features which I can't wait to explore all and then share it with you. So guys, I can't wait to zoom the Akosombo down with this phone, like zoom, and so many. And they have Ella. It's double SIM, like double. So this one for this side, and then this side, SIM 1. Wow, I love this. And this one for here. So 2 SIM, but 1 slot. Like not that long, like this one. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Can you see the difference? So let's inject it. Go we go. cool one. Guys, can you see the glass effect? It's beautiful. Wow, it's working. You have like your bank popping up like that. So this is your recent, this is your contact, and then this is your ULife. Like ADB, Carbank, Stanbic, UBA. Guys, you see that? This is beautiful. And before arriving, I found this really cool affordable apartment on Airbnb. It turned out to be such a great choice for the weekend. Clean, cozy, and exactly what I needed for a relaxing getaway. Let's check my outfit. Where are you going to? We are going to the Lake Volta and to the Adomi Bridge. That's Afrikiko. So come on, let me take you along. The location. Going to Afrikiko River Front. Let me check the distance from here. Like your location. Okay, it's just 5.5 kilometers from here. That's 11 minutes. And the battery is 47%. So I'm going to check the battery lifespan. How long is it going to last on this trip? So I will update you guys. Okay, so see, you can unlock it with your fingerprints. Hey, no, I use this one. You see that? So you don't have to just go do the, but you can just do like, and it's open. Wow, this is so beautiful. My first stop in Akosombo was the beautiful Afrikiko River Front Resort, just a few minutes away from the iconic Adomi Bridge. So we are here at the Afrikiko River Front Resort. I went on a boat cruise, enjoyed some good jollof and fried rice, and of course captured every moment. And this is where the camera on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro really stood out. The shots came out sharp, vibrant, and full of life. Thanks to its advanced AI camera system, the phone automatically enhances your photos, adjusting lighting, colors, and details instantly. And here is something I really love. You can erase unwanted objects from your pictures directly on the phone. No need for any extra editing apps. Just a few taps and your photos come out clean and perfect. So even without editing, your photos are already social media ready.
Late night sitting under starlight, searching for the meaning in the beauty that we see. Come bathe in the glow. Back roads where the magic unfolds. Happiness is simple, all you need is to believe. Come jump in the glow.
Next up, the famous Adomi Bridge. This was actually my third time visiting, but this time felt different because I got to experience it through a new lens. It just shocked me here on the Adomi Bridge. We wanted to just walk across, and then this woman was like, you have to pay to walk on the Adomi Bridge. It's my third or fourth time coming here, and I didn't know that we pay to visit the Adomi Bridge or like to walk on the Adomi Bridge. But like, since when? This one took me by surprise. Wow, look at the jet ski. There's a jet ski. Look. Oh. I tested out the zoom features from 3x optical zoom to 60x zoom, and the results were impressive. I could capture details far away without losing clarity, making it perfect for travel photography and content creation. I wasn't done exploring Akosombo. After that, I headed to the serene Riviera Volta Hotel, located just behind the bridge. The vibe here, calm, peaceful, and perfect for unwinding. I decided to go for swimming, and yes, I brought the Tecno Camon 50 Pro along. With its IP68 and IP69 water resistant, I didn't have to worry about splashes or water exposure. It's built to handle real life moments and the adventurous ones. So you go to this one, and you take it to upper mode. So now it's on upper mode. So I'm going to take it under water. I don't know how to swim, so I have to hold this one first. So this one is to capture photos, and this one is to capture videos. So I'm first going to capture videos. So now you're going to check the video. Okay, let's take the pictures first, then after we check everything. Is for taking the picture, the volume. Use your camera to make operating. Okay, now I have to take it out of aqua mode, so you long press this one. Then there is a sound. Removing water. You see that? So now, when I have water on my hand, look at the pictures I took. I took it on my own. So now we go. I think if someone is taking the pictures and the videos, it's going to be nice. Okay, this is the video. Oh, okay. You see the picture I took? See, this one is nice. So it's like if you are two. So Overall, this weekend was everything I needed. A reminder that sometimes the most beautiful experiences are right at home. The eastern region of Ghana delivers stunning view, great food, and unforgettable moments. And honestly, having the Tecno Camon 50 Pro made the experience even better. From the powerful battery and bright display on the impressive camera and durability. It's more than just a phone, it's a reliable travel companion. So if you've been thinking about exploring Ghana or upgrading your travel content game, this might just be the perfect device for you. Yes, I recommend it 100%. So I just got home. I left around 12 and it's now 9, like 10:16. And the battery health, let's check the battery health. As I said, I'll be checking after the trip. 7%. It was 40 something and it's now 7%. I've been using it, taking pictures, videos. Where is it? Like I was using it throughout for pictures, videos, blah blah blah, and all that. And it's now 7%. I think the battery health is good. It's good. See you in my next upload. Thank you for watching and bye.